So, unfortunately, in my life, I have been called a lot of things, like a prolific pooper, thunderbutt. What else have you called me? So many things. And anybody who knows me very well knows that I have so many issues with public restrooms. I feel like people need to learn how to act in public because they lose their goddamn fucking minds when they enter the bathroom. So first thing, I absolutely hate it. If you're gonna just go into that bathroom and lay some massive heat down, that's great. But could you at least do everybody else in the bathroom a favor and wait until they leave to get out of the stall? The last thing I want to do is look you in the eye when I know you just decimated that toilet. That's embarrassing for me, let alone for you. This thing's so fucking hot. Now, women, I don't know if this is a problem that you face in your bathrooms, but there's something that goes terribly wrong when men enter their bathroom, because there will be grunts and sighs and all sorts of nasty little noises just while somebody's peeing, and it's really unnecessary, and it's creepy, and it makes me think, what the fuck is going on in your life that all of a sudden you just need to let all nasty kind of noises out when you're just peeing? It's really uncomfortable. Put some space between you and the other stall or urinal. If you walk in and there's 3 stalls open, one person probably has chosen the end stall because they're smart and they care about other human beings. Don't be that person who decides to pick the stall right next to them. That's not fair. That's putting pressure on them, and just because you're cool with it doesn't mean that they are. So be a polite human being and give them some goddamn space. I'm not going to put a lot of explanation to this, but please just don't talk to me when we're in the bathroom. Don't. You're touching yourself. I'm touching myself. The only time that I should be talking to somebody who's touching themselves while I'm touching myself should be during sex. And any other time, it's really fucking creepy. So don't. I can wait until I'm out of the bathroom to say something, and I'm pretty sure you can too, as a grown human. In general, don't look me in the eye when we're in the bathroom. Don't look other people in the eye. Don't even look at yourself in the mirror in the eye, because we don't need to make what's happening in there any more real than it already is, because shit's getting real. All right, another thing that unfortunately does not go without saying but should is courtesy flush. For God's sake, just because you had Chipotle for lunch doesn't mean I need to smell that you had Chipotle for lunch. Just fucking flush. Okay, so I have struggled with being pee shy almost my entire life. So let me tell you, if you walk into the bathroom and somebody's sort of just lingering there and they maybe are playing a little too long on their phone while standing at the urinal, or they're walking in and immediately going to the sink, that means that they have pee shy issues. So go ahead, do your business quickly, and get the fuck out of there. Give them the personal space that they oh so desperately need. Oh. Jesus Christ. And you know what? If you're pee shy too, then here is the golden rule. That person's pee shy, you're pee shy, but they beat you to the fucking bathroom. So you wash your hands, you walk out there, act like that's all you wanted to do, and you sit there and you hold your damn bladder for 15 minutes, and you let that person do their business, and you have to wait and make it not look super weird, like all of a sudden you're deciding to go to the bathroom 2 minutes after the fact that you just went to the bathroom already. In general, think about the other people that are going to have to suffer. Just because you're okay with dropping trow and shitting anywhere you goddamn please doesn't mean everybody else is. This one, I hope, only happens in men's restrooms, but it shouldn't. And if it happens in women's restrooms, goddamn, you women have lost your minds too. But when you're going to the bathroom in a stall, close the fucking door. Hopefully you're not taking a shit with the door open, although I have seen that happen. But even if you're just gonna pee, and I get that at a urinal you don't have a door to close, but you're in a stall, and the last thing that I need to do is to not realize that you're in the stall and then awkwardly try to enter the stall while you're peeing. Just close the fucking door. That's just common sense. Alright, and anybody who's ever gone to the bar with me knows how fucking neurotic I am about this. Don't ever take your drink with you into the bathroom. I don't care if it's a bottle. I don't care what you're drinking. You have friends, and they will watch your drink for you to make sure nobody's slipping nothing in or taking it. That's more of what I'm concerned about. Just let them do it. And that's what friends are for. Don't take it in there, because if you don't already know, flushing the toilet sends little fecal matter and urine shit up into the air, and that will get into your drink, and then you're fucking drinking that. And if you're okay with drinking your own urine and or feces, take that home, for God's sakes, because that shit does not belong in public. You've also got to deal with the fact that other people are also defiling that bathroom and doing awful, awful things. And if you're with me at the bar, there's a strong likelihood that I have vomited in that bathroom prior to you going in there. So now you get to deal with drinking little microbes of my vomit. And then I don't even feel sorry for you anymore because you're a fucking moron. Well, I don't know. You go be you, but I would not ever put myself in that situation. Okay, so those are some things, and I promise you I have dealt with every single one of these situations in the bathroom, and I know that you're a good person, and you're nodding to yourself because you're like, that's right, why do people do this shit? Shit. Just don't do it. Just don't do it. Just man up and woman up, drop trow, and just let it all go quietly and quickly, and don't bother other people. And women especially, but men too. If you guys have experienced anything in a bathroom that's weird, and I mean there's one-off situations, like, you know, I walked in on somebody who was rolling around on the floor in a bathroom when I was at work, and that was really awkward. You know, that kind of thing, it's just weird, but it's not a normal behavior. But if you know of something that's normal for some people that you run into quite a bit, that I haven't expressed, like, let me know, because I need to know that I'm not the only person in the world that thinks about other people having to experience the bathroom with me in a public setting. And especially women. God knows, I've been in a woman's bathroom or two, a time or two or three, and I've been kicked out of bars for it, and whatever, it's not a big deal. But I know that women, you guys are fucking disgusting too, so if there's something weird happening in there, like, I don't know, women shoving tampons up and whatever, that's always where my mind goes with women, is just tampons and bleeding. You're welcome. Thanks for the hate in advance. All right. Bye.